Hey fanatics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. So I'm actually going to be using this palette from Too Faced, and I haven't used this palette in so long, but it smells so good. It's a cinnamon swirl palette, and these shades are so pretty, and I cannot wait to get started. So I'm going to go in with this shade for all over my lid. It's called Flower Power. I'm now going to be taking Doughboy and Muffin Top and putting it in my crease as a transition shade. I'm now going to take See Me Rollin' and I'm putting this in my crease just to make it a little bit more darker. Oh my god, this palette smells so good. And I'm now going to take Cinnamon Swirl and I'm Toasted and put these two in the outer portion of my crease. And I'm now going to take Batter Up and I'm putting that in the outer portion of my crease and smoking it out. I'm now going to take Love the Bun You're... Oh my god. Love the Bun You're With. And I'm putting that on my lid, but on the outer part of it. And then I'm going to take a pink shade and put that a little bit more on the center. This gold is so good. Oh my god. And I'm now going to take Ready, Set, Bake and Sticky Fingers and put that... Why do I keep on hitting my head on the back of this thing? Oh my god. These two shades and putting it on my lid. So now the lid is a bit more two-toned with the shades. It's like gold and pink, but I'm now going to put the shade Sugar Rush and Gooey Goodness in my inner corner. And I absolutely love the shade Food Court, and I am putting it on my lower lash line. And I'm now going to take Stay Currant and make a wing using this shade because it's a pretty dark one, so I think it will show. So I'm done with the eyeshadow and now I'm going to just quickly put on some mascara and come back. So that is it for this fall makeup look using the Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette. I remembered this palette so much when it first came out and I used it all the time and I still love it a lot. It's so pretty. I love the purple, like the pop of purple on the bottom, and it's just very fall vibes. So this is like a really nice palette if you want to do more of like a simple eye makeup look using some very shimmery shades in this palette, and I wouldn't suggest it for to school, but there are some very low-key shades in this palette that you could play around with, like these shades in the corner up here, and maybe like this brown shade. I wouldn't suggest like pops of any color, but if you're not allowed to. But the rest of the shades, I love it so much, and oh my god, it's so good. And that is it for this look using the palette, and I do have another one coming up using a different eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, so stay tuned for that one.